we are doing our second episode of What's on the Menu. Okay, so join me on this second episode. I'm so excited. So today, you guys, I'm gonna be fixing chicken Phillies along with homemade french fries. Now, my daughter did the potatoes, so let me show you what she did. So these are 3 potatoes, big potatoes. So she put salt, pepper, so pink salt, black pepper. She put onion powder, paprika. What else she put? Garlic salt. Garlic salt, parsley flakes. Did you put accent in there? No accent? Okay, that was it. So this is what the homemade, Parmesan cheese. Yeah. So can't forget that. So this is what the french fries is actually looking like. So I'm going to put these in like the toaster oven. I'm not going to fry these though. So I do got some boneless chicken strips. I also got some provolone cheese. I got some mushrooms for me because my children and my husband, they don't like mushrooms. I got bell pepper, green bell pepper, red bell pepper. I got onions. I got a banana pepper and an orange pepper. Okay. Also, I have this. This is the buns that I decided to use for our chicken Phillies, okay? All right, so let's get started. I have already pre-washed and washed my chicken. I washed all the vegetables, the mushrooms, and the potatoes and all that stuff have already been washed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and season up my chicken. So I'm gonna put a little bit of pink salt, because we don't have no red salt. So pink salt. I'm gonna put some black pepper. Definitely gonna have to go back to the store and get some more pepper. Okay, I'm gonna put some onion powder. So you can just use whatever seasonings that you like for you and your household. I just use the seasonings that I know that we use on a regular. Some little bit accent salt. I'm gonna use Mrs. Dash table blend because you want the chicken to be seasoned but not too over seasoned. Okay, a little bit of garlic salt. Just a little bit of that. And I'm gonna use a little bit of parsley flakes. Okay. So, just blend that all together. Should I do, let me do a little bit of paprika. Something different. Chicken Phillies. All right, so let me put my frying pan on, turn it on low. So I'm gonna be cooking the chicken in there. I'm gonna be doing my vegetables in here. And I'm gonna be putting the fries in the toaster oven. I got this olive oil can spray. This is what I put on here in my little toaster oven. So I'm gonna spray this pan right quick. Get it well coated. And I got the toaster oven on 400, you guys. So that should be coated enough. All right, so let me take the fries and just put it on the pan. Like so. I want these to be good and done. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. Today is Monday. This is the last week that my children will be doing virtual learning. They're going to be going on their winter break. I know they're excited about that. Well, I know YouTube was down earlier today, and my children's school had called, so I got a message from them saying that the Power School and all that Google stuff was down, and I'm like, this is crazy, because I got up like at 6 something this morning. I'm like, what the world is going on? So I had to double check and see what's going on. I don't know what was going on with YouTube. All right, so let me put this down. I'm gonna put the fries in here. I'm gonna toast the oven and just let that sit, you guys. So let me wash my hands. Excuse me, I got a little bit of dishes in the sink, just a little bit, y'all. So I wash my hands. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, since I do have fries in that toaster oven, I'm gonna turn this oven on as well and just put some in the oven so we can go ahead and get this cooking, rolling. All right, so I got this little baking pan. I'll spray this down so I can put the rest of the fries in. All right, get this coated real good. Yes, I do use my pans. And I'm just gonna put the rest of these in there. All right. So, just gonna spread this out, you guys. Ain't nothing like with some homemade potatoes that you cut up and season it on your own. It actually tastes better, to be honest, because you'll know your fries come out the way that you like them instead of having someone else do it for you. Oh, turn it off. All right, so I'm gonna put these in the oven. Wipe that off. A little bit. Oh, the little knob. Didn't even know. Excuse y'all on that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, let me put some grapeseed oil inside the pan so I can go ahead and get started and sauteing my vegetables. Excuse me for that, and then I'm gonna get sauteing the chicken just a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna turn that back on. I can't wait to get started. I'm gonna rinse these off one more time. Make sure they're good and clean. Alright. Sorry about the mess, but anyways, move the grapeseed oil over there. All right, so let me go ahead and cut up these other 2 peppers. Okay. You guys, so I can add these to the pan as well. This is actually my first time trying out chicken Phillies made homemade from home. Normally, I get them from like at a restaurant, or I would get it at my job. So my job has 2 I want to say restaurants, but 2 big one big cafeteria and 1 small cafeteria where they sell food in. So anyways, all right, so let me go ahead and put the peppers in there. Let me turn that down. Oops, one fell on the floor. Put that in that container. I'm gonna cook my mushrooms separately since I know that my children and my family do not like mushrooms. So I'm gonna make sure I cook that separately. So you can cut your peppers up the way you want it. It don't have to be, you know, all crazy and things. So let me mix this up. Mix the chicken up. Okay, so I'm gonna put the chicken on so I can at least get that started. I love the smell of peppers and onions when it cooks. It smells so good. Comment down below if you like that smell, you guys. If you love the smell of peppers and onions cooking, just by itself smells so good, y'all. Alright, so that's it for that. Let me wash my hands. I'm going to cut up some more peppers. Alright, so let me put a little bit of seasoning on it. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of onion pepper, even though I got onions in here, it won't hurt to smell it. It won't hurt at all. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna stir these vegetables around. Let them cook in there. I turned it down because I don't want it to get burnt up, you guys. The aroma smells so good. I love these together. Alright, so I'm gonna cut up some more. I'm gonna cut up some orange peppers. You can't forget those, okay? I might use these for the seeds so I can start a little garden. I tried to start one, you guys, a long time ago. I wasn't blessed with gardening hands. I did have like a little okra plant. It lasted for a while, but after that, I think I overwatered it or something. Gardening is not my forte, okay? It sure ain't. But I'm going to try again, though. Because I do want to have a garden, especially in these times. Vegetables and stuff going up, and food going up, and just crazy. Prices have changed so drastically. Okay. These peppers smell so good, y'all. The aroma. I always cut out that middle part. Turn it back up a little bit. Cause these ain't gonna be burnt, you guys. I'm not gonna burn them. I just wanted to saute a little bit. Cut that up a little bit. Just saute them a little bit. Yes, baby, yes. Alright, so I'm gonna turn this chicken over. Make sure that chicken is good and done. We don't raw chicken, and that's when I have salmonella cousin. Did I say that right? Salmonella. Turn that up a little bit. Definitely don't want that. Can't be getting that, y'all. So while this cooking, I'm gonna take a little short break and I'll be right back with y'all. Make sure y'all tune back in. All right, you guys, I am back. So this is what my vegetables is looking like. My bell peppers, red peppers, green peppers, the yellow, orange, and the onions. So these are actually done. I'm just gonna leave those in the pot. So this is what my chicken is looking like. It is almost done, but not quite. So I'm gonna let that cook a little bit more. So let me go ahead and check on my fries in the oven. All right, so my little toaster oven. So those is not quite done. You know, you got to make sure potatoes is all the way done. You don't want to get sick. So that's the little toaster oven. So I'm just gonna let that close up, and I'm just gonna be right there for that. So the ones inside the stove, those is not done just yet, you guys. So as soon as it get done, I'll be right back with you. All right, M Squad, so I am back. So let me go ahead and show you how I'm going to fix my sandwich. Okay, so I did toasted the bread in the oven. I didn't get a chance to show that because I was doing something different. So I'm gonna put a little bit of honey mustard on my bread. You can fix however you like it. This is what I like. So I got some honey mustard. Excuse these little things right here. And that's the chicken. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of ranch dressing. Just a little bit, you guys, not too much. So I'm gonna put a little bit of ranch dressing. I'm gonna get some chicken. Put a couple of pieces down on there. Not too much. I got some provolone cheese. I didn't want mine melted, but I'm pretty sure the kids want theirs melted, but I don't want mine melted. So I got some provolone cheese. Looked like it was already melted, probably due to the heat. All right, so I'm going to get some of these peppers. So that's how it looks, you guys. I'm not gonna get too much. Right, so I'm gonna get some peppers. And right, and that's about it. So that is my chicken Philly. Don't want too much in there, but that's about it. So these are what the fries look like. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put, oh, I forgot about my mushrooms, you guys. Oh, so little mushrooms. Sorry about that. Put some mushrooms on there too. Okay. So that's my chicken Philly. All right, so for my fries, I'm just gonna put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on it. And I'm gonna put a little bit of parsley flakes on there, just a little bit. All right, so that's it, you guys. So this is my chicken Philly. Let me close this down a little bit. Chicken Philly along with some homemade fries. All right, so make sure you guys tune in next week for what's on the menu. I hope y'all enjoy this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Why do I do this every time? Like, share, subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below and let us know any ideas that you would like to see us to cook for what's on the menu. All right, y'all have a great night. Bye.